Go for Barney.
Hey, I'm having an issue.
Listen, Robin, is this urgent or can we talk about it later?
Nah, it's stupid. Have fun.
Have an issue with. To have problems dealing with something or someone. Examples.
I asked him to be my best man.
Great. That's awesome. I mean, that was the whole thing.
I'm not an idiot. You're not psyched about this at all.
It's just, I feel like he has some issue with me.
What? No. You guys just haven't spent any time together.
We've spent some time together.
I'll talk to him.
We've all read the latest sales agreement, yes?
Actually, I don't think I was CC'd on
So
that.
I believe we can move straight forward to a vote.
Actually, I'm sorry. I have an issue with Section 14, Paragraph 2. It states that Valiant has exclusive rights to purchase any appliance made by Pied Piper for the next 5 years.
Not the issue, not an issue, non-issue. It's not a problem or an important subject for discussion. Examples.
And your paralegal didn't know where they were.
I'd really like to apologize to Kevin personally as well if he's available.
He's not. Let me be very clear. The mistake is not the issue here. Everyone makes mistakes. But I need to know your head is in this.
We have so much in common. She loves sandwiches, sports, although she is a Met fan. Not much of an issue now, but if we were ever to have kids...
Oh, my God. Listen to you talking about having kids.
What?
Oh, my Joey. Oh, please don't get married before I do.
No, it's a trick. It has enough is enough. I submit that Mr. McGill's mental illness is a non-issue. If he were schizophrenic, it wouldn't take away from the fact that the defendant...
I am not crazy!
Take issue with. To disagree strongly with someone or about something. Examples.
I've come up with a series of exercises to help with your compulsive need for closure.
Well, I take issue with the word compulsive.
All I'm saying is we live in a world where closure isn't always an
Shun, okay.
You're basically out of options.
So what are you saying? That I just lay down and die?
I take issue with your definition of die, my dude. I can get that Chilean cat on the phone right now and get you paid. There's no shame in it. Musk built PayPal and sold. Hoffman built LinkedIn and sold. You seen those guys lately?
Excuse me. Can I please see a show of hands? Who here takes issue with this person cutting the line? Told ya. Well, what a sad state of affairs. And that you've all been so ground down by life, you don't even notice when someone disrespects you.
I'm sure we don't need to make an issue out of this whole thing. Let's just talk about it and we'll figure something out.
Make an issue. To argue about something, especially when that annoys other people because they don't think it is so important. Examples.
Are you Holly Kennedy?
If I am, will you sing at me?
Yes.
No, I'm not.
Look, please don't make this an issue. I gotta sing and deliver a letter.
A letter? What's the song?
Yamo be there.
Oh, please don't. Just give me the letter.
Oh, I could get reported.
By who? The Leprechaun Union?
What can I say? He's got the law on his side.
I'm gonna have my brother Ben talk to him.
Evelyn, Ben is a hothead. I am not looking for trouble. Promise me you won't make this into an issue.
He makes this into an issue. He needs somebody to read him the Riot Act.
Let this drop, Evelyn. It's not that big a deal.
Yeah, because you don't have the migraines.
Force the issue. To force someone to do something or to make a decision about something. Examples.
I don't get it. If Ray admits that there's not enough evidence against you...
Well, there may not be enough to convict, but there's plenty to cast doubt. You know, if I force the issue, we risk dividing the crew. We can't afford that.
No, Lori, when we offered them their Series B, I promised Richard that we would never make them harvest data or sell ads.
However, that language is not part of their term sheets. I am not saying that we will force their hand on this issue, but neither am I saying definitively that we will not.
Abe, this is Martin Cummings with our Government Liaison Department, and I've asked Devlin here as a witness.
Witness? Hello again. What the hell is going on?
This is a little awkward, Abe, but I'm afraid your actions force the issue.
What actions?
Well, you've been pressing so hard about your son coming on board that I need to tell you something. Noah can't work at Bell Labs.
At issue. the most important in what is being discussed. Examples.
Now please tell me why you did it.
That's not really at issue here.
Well, you told me your insurance was covering it. Was that a lie?
Ms. Soto, I do believe you had a genuine relationship with Henry Strauss. And I believe Mrs. Strauss also had a profound partnership with her husband. But what is at issue now is his body art?
Dead issue. Something that no longer has any significance. Something that does not matter anymore. Examples.
I have a rule. 20 warnings, then it's a dead issue. This is about all of you. We need to talk about diner teamwork.
Oh, our teamwork's fine. For example, we're covering for Earl while he chases the ice cream man.
You're right. I've lost control. And I'm taking myself off this case. And I'm not going anywhere near gambling again.
You promise?
From the bottom of my heart, it's a dead issue. I'm proud of you, sir.
So am I, Captain.
If I am, will you sing at me?
Yes.
No, I'm not.
Please don't make this an issue. I gotta sing and deliver a letter.
I take issue with your definition of die, my dude.
It's just, I feel like he has some issue with me.